Hello, welcome back. Today we are doing one of my favorite gift guides to film, and it is my funny gifts / white elephant gifts. I loved filming this video last year and I've actually seen quite a resurgence this year on that video, so I'm super excited to bring you some fresh ideas. When it comes to white elephant, I like to go funny but practical, so that's kind of what I focused on for this video. But when it comes to the funny gifts, I got some that are just hilarious and don't have any use, but I'm excited to share them all with you. All of these are from Amazon, with the exception of one that is from Walmart that I could not pass up sharing. Everything will be linked down below. You do get fast shipping, so you definitely have time to get these before Christmas. Let's go ahead and dive in. First, I wanted to share these tampon flasks. I think these are absolutely hilarious. If you have concert goers in your life, these are great gifts. I think they're something that is practical for the wrong reasons, but mostly hilarious. So definitely make a great gift for anybody that would use this sort of thing. Another flask that I think is really funny is the stocking flask. This one is made out of plastic and it's just very seasonal. I think if you have, adult kids, if your Christmas is mostly adults, I feel like it would be really fun to give everybody a fun cocktail in this stocking for them to enjoy throughout the Christmas holiday weekend. I think this is great. Similarly to flasks, but a little bit different, is this wine sports bra wine holder thing. You've probably seen these before. I think they're very funny, make for a great white elephant gift. I love the idea of getting to, use this for wine, but personally, I feel like it would just be great to use for water if you're going exercising or hiking. You don't have to carry a camelback, just your sports bra, ready to go. I also love this one. It's a classic, the Potty Putter Toilet Golf. I think this is great. My boyfriend actually got this a couple years ago from one of his roommates, and it was really funny. I think this was a gift that honestly kept on giving to everybody that lived in the frat house with him. It was a really funny gift and a big hit overall. Similarly, but a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, you could go for a squatty potty or a similar potty stand, as Amazon likes to call it. I really like this acrylic one, but they have them in bamboo, the plastic, they have metal ones, they have all kinds of weird shapes and patterns and colors and weird things going on. So you have lots of different options. Another golf related item is this golf ball sack. I think this is so funny, so wacky, so weird, but really hilarious. It definitely has a practical use for anyone that likes to golf, but for the most part, it's just really weird. So I think I'm gonna be giving this to my dad because he loves to golf and I know he's gonna get a kick out of this. If you're looking for something for a person in your life who spends a lot of time in their car, there are a couple great options. I love these sauce clips. These are one of my favorite gifts to give ever. I use these way more often than I would like to admit. They just clip into your vent and you can use them for almost any sauce from any fast food restaurant. I love these. I recently stumbled across this French fry holder, which is very similar. It actually holds French fries and your sauce though. Great gift. We gave this to my boyfriend's dad last year and he loves it. There's also, if somebody brings their lunch to work and eats lunch in their car like many of my friends do, there's this steering wheel tray that allows you to just clip it into your steering wheel and then you can eat lunch in your car with a little bit more class than just eating it out of your lap. I think this is a really, really good gift that's very practical that I don't think a lot of people would actually get for themselves, but like I said, is very useful. If they are a little bit snarky, I also love these bad parking cards. I would never leave these kind of cards. I know some people that absolutely would love to though, so I think this would be a great stocking stuffer for them. I just think they're hilarious. If you have somebody that is a pet lover, there are so many funny options. I absolutely love this pooping dogs calendar. I think this is so funny. I've actually given this as a gift before and it is a big hit. I think going into the new year, it's a great gift that has a little bit of practicality, but mostly humor. I also stumbled across quite a few cat options. I kind of went down the rabbit hole with this one. First, these slippers are so funny. They have lots of different cat options. I think they're just hilarious, and they honestly look really comfortable as well. There are also these cat butt coasters, which I think are so funny. There are also cat butt dishes too. This is definitely something that is super niche, but if you have a person in your life that loves cats, I think they might like these. I just think they're hilarious. This one is a little bit more practical. This is a hair shower catcher, and it is in the shape of a cat. So you actually stick it in your shower, and then any stray hairs that you have, you can put there so you don't have to put them down the drain. I honestly think this is kind of disgusting, but if you have someone in your life that sheds a lot, maybe this would be a good gift for them. A couple options that are really good for parties. First, I want to share this shot dispenser. This is something that I saw from Philosophy on YouTube. I'll leave her link down below. She's one of my favorite YouTubers, has tons of amazing gift guides. This is such a good gift for anybody in your life who loves to party. I am not that person. This is not something that I would want to receive, but I know a lot of people that would really enjoy it. So this is a really fun gift for them. There's also this drinking helmet. I can't see one of these and not think of SpongeBob, but I still think it's really funny. I know that this is something my boyfriend would probably want to bring to a baseball game, and I would not want him to, so he will not be getting this for Christmas, but I do think it is a fun white elephant gift that I feel like would actually be a pretty big hit. There's also a lot of fun bottle openers. There's this gun option. There are all kinds of weird shapes and sizes and animals and colors. One bottle opener that I really love is this dad joke one. I don't think this is something you have to just get for dads. I personally love it. I am a dad joker, so I think this is a great gift. You have friends that participate in alternative options for partying other than drinking. I would recommend considering this highball game. I think this would be such a fun white elephant gift that I actually think would be a really big hit, pun not intended. I think this just looks like a really fun game, and I actually know quite a few people that I think would really enjoy this. Another gift that I think is great for the partier in your life is this hangover remedy. If you have anyone in your life that parties a little too hard sometimes, I definitely recommend these. One of the other things that I stumbled across quite a bit are some funny bath bombs. I shared a couple last year in my, I believe it was my small business, and then also my white elephant gift guide, and I love these. I think these are so funny. I've seen them for a long time, and I will never stop laughing at these booty bombs. I just think they're so funny. They're a great gift for anybody who likes to take baths, and I just think they're so fun. There are lots of different options for bath bombs as well that are funny. I shared some in my small business gift guide that have very odd scent profiles that aren't actually their scent, like pickle or roast beef or alien poop. So there are lots of great options there too. These are not bath bombs, but I do think they're really good for any man in your life, and they are dude bombs. I just think they're great. These are relationship savers. These are nose savers, and I honestly just think they're hilarious. If you're looking for something that is a little bit more on the practical side, this is another thing that I saw from Philosophy, and it is a waterproof notepad for your shower. I think this is a great gift for anybody in your life, but specifically for people that are, you know, creative and have lots of different ideas going on in their head. I just think this is amazing, and I want one. You can also go the route of getting a lot of different fun puzzles. Love the idea of giving the $2 million puzzle. If you haven't heard of this, it's basically a puzzle that gives you a QR code, and then you stamp a picture to scan it and see what you won. Every single puzzle is a winner, so no matter what, you're gonna win some money, and you can win up to $2 million, which is fantastic, and I think makes it a great white elephant gift. I would definitely say, with the caveat that if they win $2 million, they have to give you some. But that's just me. Another really practical gift that I think is really fun is this motor mixer. If you have a boat lover in your life, this is adorable. It's basically a little mixer that looks like a boat engine, and you just stick it in your mug and it blends up your drink. I just think this is so cute and a little bit wacky, but still very practical. Another gift that I think would be fantastic for white elephant is this sofa stud couch cup holder. It basically slides in between your couch cushions, and can hold a beer, water bottle, coffee, whatever you want, and it helps it to keep from spilling. I think this is just a great gift for anyone in your life that sits on their couch at any point, and I just think it would be a big hit. There's also this book called Things I Will Cancel Later. I think this is a great white elephant gift for everybody because everybody tries new subscriptions and things like that and forgets to cancel them. So I think this would be a very practical gift, plus it's very aesthetically pleasing. I debated putting this one on here because I think it is so weird of a gift, but I still just think it's so funny and I couldn't stop laughing, so I thought I would share, and it is this Oscar Mayer Wiener hot dog roller. I just think this is so funny. If you have someone in your life that loves hot dogs or nostalgic items, I think this would be funny. And it's, you know, it's a wiener roller. So I just think that's funny. The last kind of category that I wanted to share within the practical realm are different kitchen items. You can get tons of fun oven mitts and kitchen towels and kitchen utensils. If you have anyone in your life that loves to cook or maybe just needs a new kitchen towel, I think these would be great. Moving on to the things that have absolutely no purpose other than bringing a smile to your face, I first want to share this middle finger goose. I know this can be offensive, but I think it's hilarious. So again, holds no purpose, but if you have a quirky and weird person in your life, I think this would be a great hit. Another item that has no purpose is this SHIIT workout book. It's around the idea of HIIT workouts, but it's while you're in the bathroom. And I just think this is really funny. It, again, holds no purpose unless you're gonna actually do the workouts, which for safety reasons, I don't think would be a good idea, but it would be funny to kind of flip through. And lastly, something that is very Christmassy is this naughty gingerbread ornament. There are lots of very funny ornaments, but this one really made me giggle, so thought I would share that. And that, my friends, is everything. I feel like there were lots of ideas. I'm very interested to hear what your favorite is, and if you have any unique white elephant ideas, definitely leave those down below. I always love hearing them, and I think it's very fun to get creative with them, so definitely leave your favorites down below. Like I said, everything that I've shared will be linked down in the description box. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me again. I look forward to seeing you in my next gift guide, and in the meantime, hope you have a killer day. Thanks. Bye.